happens when the truth you believe doesn't match the proof the law requires. That's the tension at the heart of the Diddy trial, where an alternate juror's insight gives us a rare look behind the verdict, and the media's narrative told a very different story. Here's a 5-point breakdown of how the case was called in the courtroom versus how it was framed in the court of public opinion. Number 1, deliberation process, law over celebrity jurors' view. The alternate juror emphasized the process was guided strictly by the law, not fame. We spent over 2 days deliberating. It wasn't about who he is, it was about what could be proven. Media angle. Many headlines painted the verdict as swayed by celebrity power, suggesting that Diddy's influence clouded the path to justice. Number 2, the mixed verdict breakdown jurors' view. The jury made clear distinctions, finding him guilty on 2 counts involving controlled substances and other misconduct, but not on the major allegations. This showed they followed evidence, not emotion. Media angle. The split verdict was portrayed as contradictory or soft, raising questions about whether the jury fully grasped the stakes or was too lenient. Number 3, the Cassie testimony, belief versus burden. Jurors' view. Perhaps the most powerful statement was this: just because the jury believed parts of Cassie's testimony doesn't mean the weight of that belief met the burden of proof required to convict. That's legal reality. Feelings and facts aren't the same. Media angle. News coverage leaned into the emotional gravity of her words, often presenting belief as proof and assuming the jury should have done the same. Number 4, jury integrity and internal challenges. Jurors' view. Despite procedural hurdles like a juror being removed, the alternate juror insisted the panel stayed focused and respectful of their duty. Media angle. Drama sold more than diligence. Media framed internal jury changes and note exchanges as chaotic or suspect, fueling public doubts. 5, legal standards versus public judgment. Jurors' view. The verdict wasn't about public satisfaction, it was about legal clarity. The alternate juror stressed they judged the case on what the law demanded, not how it made them feel. Media angle. The verdict was often portrayed as a societal letdown, feeding outrage that legal justice didn't look like emotional vindication. Final thought. The alternate juror captured it perfectly. We believed her. But belief isn't the same as proof, and we were sworn to uphold the law, not the pressure. Meanwhile, the media told a story of power, influence, and moral drama. The disconnect reveals a powerful truth. In the courtroom, proof must stand where passion falls short.